Hey guys, here we are, another edition of Daddios Skatepark Tour. Today we're in the city of Waterloo. Waterloo Park. It's 100 Father David Bauer Drive. That's the address. So we're going to do the 360, we're going to walk around, I'm going to show you the park. Let me know what you think. If there's anything else you want to see, any other parks, let me know in the comments, and we'll try and get to them. This park is also called the Volcano Park because of that. We'll do our walk around. Try and keep the kids out of it. There's like one of the strips that everybody seems to be riding. Just a big round park, big round deep bowl. Got a bunch of stuff in it. Lots to ride. World's biggest skateboard. Check this out. Pretty neat. It's all based on that volcano. And there's the front. So, there you go. Daddios Skatepark Tour. Thanks for watching. Any ideas? Anything you want to see? Let me know in the comments. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.